Skittles. Those brightly colored candies promise a burst of fruity flavor in every bite. But have you ever wondered what exactly goes into making these chewy treats? What if we could recreate that iconic Skittles experience at home, using only natural ingredients and a dash of culinary creativity? The challenge is on. Can we unlock the secrets of the Skittle and craft a gourmet version from scratch? Our journey begins with a simple question. What makes a Skittle a Skittle? Is it the chewy, taffy-like center? Or perhaps the crisp, sugary shell that gives way with a satisfying crunch? To truly replicate this candy, we need to deconstruct its essence, breaking down its flavor profiles and textures. This is no small feat, but for a dedicated foodie, the pursuit of deliciousness knows no bounds. First, we must dissect the Skittles rainbow. Each color beckons with its own unique flavor. Promise: strawberry, lime, orange, grape, and lemon. But capturing the vibrancy of these fruits in a candy requires more than just artificial flavorings. We're after the real deal. This means sourcing fresh, seasonal fruits at their peak of flavor. Juicy strawberries bursting with sweetness, zesty limes with a tangy kick, and oranges bursting with sunshine. Next, we turn our attention to the texture. Skittles have a distinctive chewiness that sets them apart from other candies. This comes from the combination of sugar, corn syrup, and hydrogenated palm kernel oil found in the commercial version. Our mission: to recreate this texture using natural alternatives. We'll explore using honey or agave nectar for sweetness, and coconut oil for a rich, smooth mouthfeel. The goal is to achieve that perfect balance of chewiness and melt-in-your-mouth satisfaction. With our natural ingredients assembled, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get cooking. The heart of a Skittle lies in its taffy-like center. This involves a careful dance of heat and precision as we coax sugar, fruit juice, and our chosen fat into a smooth, pliable dough. The mixture bubbles and transforms, filling the kitchen with the sweet aroma of caramelized sugar. Once our taffy reaches the perfect consistency, it's time to shape and coat our Skittles. We can choose between two classic candy-making techniques: royal icing or hard candy. Royal icing, made with powdered sugar and egg whites, offers a delicate sweetness and a smooth, porcelain-like finish. Hard candy, on the other hand, involves boiling sugar to a high temperature, creating a shatteringly crisp shell. Each method presents its own unique challenges and rewards, and the choice ultimately comes down to personal preference. Finally, the moment of truth has arrived. Our homemade Skittles, gleaming with vibrant colors and the promise of natural fruit flavors, are ready for their taste test. How do they stack up against their mass-produced counterparts? The verdict is in. While our homemade version may not perfectly replicate the exact chemical composition of a store-bought Skittle, it offers something truly special. The flavors are brighter, fresher, and more nuanced, thanks to the use of real fruit. The texture, while different, is equally satisfying, with a delightful chewiness that lingers on the palate. This experiment has proven that it is possible to create a delicious and more wholesome version of a beloved candy. Would you try making your own gourmet Skittles? What fruit flavors would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue to explore the fun and delicious world of DIY gourmet.